It's time for another section of the Boneyard. Stick around. Hello everybody, and again welcome to Ham Shack TV. We are on the Ham Shack TV Hamfest Tour, fueled by Ham Radio Prep and World Radio League. Doing it live right here in Xenia, Ohio, for the Dayton Hamvention. Boy, and it's been impressive so far. Hopefully you've seen some of the other content. We just did one section of Boneyard. We're about to do another. So let's get to it. And guys, if you're just tuning into this particular video, I have some balance issues with my gimbal, so if you do see some shaking at times, just like that right there, don't freak out. It just means I need to reposition the gimbal.
Yeah, he did.
Motorola stuff. Motorola stuff. More Motorola. We just made a camp out area here. I guess they sold everything. It must be good whenever you come to a Hamfest and you sell all the stuff you brought to buy or bought to sell. It's a 746.
Well, starting on the wires and it's ground. I had to replace them with damn.
Hey there, video poker machine up there. Old Mako amplifier.
Right, so that part itself, it's okay. So when I use that now, you would have iCar Direct. I haven't made iCar Direct for a while. All their dashes, they have all the radios.
Some military surplus stuff here. I know I've had some comments. People like to see the military stuff. We support our troops right here at Ham Shack TV. You better believe that. Better believe that. Starting to warm up again, but it is a nice day other than a little bit of wind. Full tenor. Boy, for such a big generator, that thing's pretty quiet. I'm impressed. I'd like to get some sort of a generator at home. You know, you got 4 kids, you got to prioritize your expenses. You know what I'm saying? More moto stuff over here. There's a Tech Orion. An Omni 7 or 6. ICOM 271.
It's below the clouds.
What is this, John?
Okay, so on the north, what about on the, if you look on top of the cloud switch, up to the left?
Having to keep adjusting the iris here. Sun comes out, goes behind a cloud, goes out, goes behind a cloud. That's a real siren I'm hearing now. Ooh. Take the money. Take all the money.
All the LED bulbs and all slap your name on it. That's the same one.
Guys, if you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe to Ham Shack TV. We will be doing an HF radio giveaway at some point in the not so distant future. Once we get to 10,000 subscribers, we will give that HF radio away. I don't know which radio it's going to be just yet. Sorry if the siren's loud, but we're going to do it. You also, in regards to giveaway, you have to also, in addition to subscribing for the YouTube channel, you have to join the Discord, and you have to subscribe to the email list. You can find a link to the Discord and the place to go fill out for the email list. You can find all that on hamshacktv.com. Whew. Starting to get winded a little bit. Got some POE IP cameras. Oh, it's just transistors, resistors, diodes, all that good stuff.